in Kannur a short while back. He was greeted by the governor and the chief minister, and at this point, as he will be undertaking this visit, this inspection is concerned, monitoring the situation on ground, the relief and the rehabilitation work that has been taking place, and of course the pictures that are now coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi almost weeks later. As far as this tragedy, almost 10 days later, as we can say, the tragedy that struck the hilly areas of Wayanad, where major landslides were reported and claimed the lives of over 400 people. It is now the bigger challenge, of course, looking at the adverse weather conditions as well. This is the peak monsoon season, but the main challenge would be the rehabilitation of all those people in that densely populated area that lost their homes and they have nowhere to live now. There have been already material supplies that have been brought in. There has been help that came in from all corners of the country, and of course the defense forces working day and night when it comes to providing relief and rescuing the last person who was said to be trapped under the muddy debris of those landslides. The picture that is now coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as he is expected also to inspect the area, and aerial survey will also be done by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, formally visiting the same area which has been struck by landslides was the former representative of the seat of Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi, who was also there in Wayanad, and this time around he is welcomed and has said that it is good that the Prime Minister himself is going to the affected regions, and he will inspect and he'll get a first-hand experience on how devastating these landslides have been, and in all likelihood he wants that the centre declares it as a national disaster. We have Jayalakshmi with us right now. Jayalakshmi, if you can tell us, as far as the pictures that are now coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he is expected to or take on board the chopper, and he is expected to take and inspect the aerial survey of the affected areas.
Certainly right now we're told that Prime Minister is doing the aerial survey. He is in the helicopter surveying the entire Wayanad, the landslide affected area, especially the Churalmala and the Mundakai region. Definitely he is doing the aerial survey, after which he will come to the chopper will land in Kalpetta, and from there by road he will visit all the relief camps and meet all the people who have been affected and who have survived this landslide, and post which he will also visit the Bailey Bridge, is what we are being told. And we also understand that the state government right now is trying to make Prime Minister understand the intensity of this tragedy, and they are definitely requesting a huge compensation, comprehensive package is what is being expected by the state government, and that also that the central should declare this as a national calamity. These are the major two demands by the state governments at this time when Prime Minister is visiting. Rahul Gandhi also took out in the social media that this is that Prime Minister, he hopes that the Prime Minister understands the intensity of this calamity, where over 400 people have lost their lives, and we have in fact so many people who are still missing. Even though the rescue operations are on the final stage, we are expected we are expecting Prime Minister to understand the intensity of this entire tragedy, is what the state government and the opposition expects. We also know that Prime Minister will chair a review meeting where he will be explained the ongoing rescue operations, the process, and post the course of action, post the rescue operations are finally completed, what will be the situation, and how will the people bring back to normalcy, how will they proceed with their lives. These all things will be discussed, and yet to know the final details of the review meeting. But we are told that Prime Minister and the entire ministry, the state government and Prime Minister central government will together sit and definitely have a discussion on the same.
Right, but more has been when it comes to the on-ground assessment also is concerned, because after the aerial survey, Jayalakshmi is also expected to meet the survivors, the victims there of the landslides.
Yes, definitely PM will meet the people he will go to the relief camp, he will meet the people there, and he will definitely extend his support and take the stock of the situation on how they are surviving in the relief camp. And probably we can expect the Prime Minister to come out with a decision after the final review meeting is over. We can expect a very solid decision by the central government, and as I was saying, the state government also expects this tragedy to be declared as the national calamity. That is the major expectation that the state government is also having. And also other than that, they are also expecting the central government to give a proper certain amount of comprehensive package. These are the major two demands by the state government. So definitely after Prime Minister goes and meets the people, extends his warm support to the people who have survived.
The aerial survey is concerned. We are expecting those pictures to come in shortly. Jayalakshmi, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.